All right, so we have a customer here with, it's not the engine's fault. I'm going to say this right now. The Ecotech engine, in its earlier design, without VVTs, was a fantastic engine, right? Fantastic. The problem is not changing the oil properly with good quality oil. Properly at the correct time. So this, and it's on its third Valvoline Restore and Protect. Now I don't know if other Meineke shops offer this, and not sure how many people out here are dealing with oil consumption issues.
Highly doubt they do offer it. I don't know a lot of other shops that even know about this.
Yeah. So for me, we have facts and we know that it works. So she's on her third Valvoline Restore and Protect on this engine, only because where she's been going to get her service regularly has not been advising her properly.
And she's been changing it every 2,500.
Yeah. So we've been monitoring this through the cases, and at 2,500, or was it a 1,500, there was no oil consumption? So at 1,500, there was no oil consumption. She went to 2,500 and it started showing oil consumption. And why is that? Well, the oil dilution from the fuel, from the rings being stuck, is high. So that's going to continue to do that. Another issue with this vehicle and this customer's driving habits is she's an older woman and she's not driving highway speeds very often. She's short stop and goes. And Valvoline Restore and Protect is not really designed to work that well with short interval driving. So what I had to tell Rachel was, this is the third service, and I suspect, and I'm going to show you why I suspected this. That's why I suspect that, okay? The engine's not getting hot enough for Valvoline Restore and Protect to do its job. Valvoline Restore and Protect has to meet operating temperatures and be, driven in normal operating conditions. And customers who do not drive in normal operating conditions are the ones who go to Wawa, go to the doctors, go to the supermarket, and go home. They're not doing a 9 to 5. They're not driving 40 minutes or an hour in their car. That's normal operating conditions, in my opinion. And based on the oil cap, it's showing me the Valvoline Restore and Protect is doing its job, but it's not doing it efficiently enough because of the driving habits. So we have to switch the gears and say, hey, after this oil change, go shopping, go do what you got to do, and then get on the highway and drive 15, 20 minutes in high-speed traffic. And you're going to have to do that a little bit, or this process is going to take longer. So is this a bad engine? Absolutely not. It's how the customers weren't taking care of it properly. I assure you, if GM gave us this car brand new with 0 miles on it, and we kept it, and we drove it every 3,000 miles, and we checked this car, it would have 0 oil consumption at 100,000. I bet even at 150,000. The time and chain wouldn't rattle, the VVTs wouldn't be a problem. I assure you this. Yeah. The manifold wouldn't crack, the catalytic converter wouldn't be melted away, the air fuel sensors up front that I document are blowtorched and melted away from the VVTs malfunctioning, from low oil and putting the time bit in the exhaust. And that's what happens when you retard the timing. The fire's not in the cylinders anymore, it's in the exhaust. Yep. If you advance the timing, it puts the fire in the cylinders. So it moves the fire into the exhaust system. And this is what techs argue, oh, it's a cheap cast manifold, blah, 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 blah. No, the air fuel sensor says there's too much flame on it. That's why the cage melts away. That's why the manifold is cracked and the catalytic converter is melted to death. And with no misfires. Yeah. So if GM would give us, I would test this theory and we'll put that right back on the manufacturer. Not advising the customer how to maintenance their car properly, and then the customer takes that for gospel, and then they take that 5,000 mile oil change and take it to 10 or 20 or never, and this is what you wind up with. But Valvoline Restore and Protect works. You got a bunch of success stories. Thanks for watching.